It's very, very symbolic and indicative of the great solidarity that he continues to show, not just to the Muslim community, but to the entire Christian community. He has shown that this solidarity with the millions of people who are of the Catholic faith in Nigeria by attending this Mass, being himself a Muslim. This has also shown his commitment to the advancement of peace, not just in the African region, but globally also, because this particular Pope is committed to the restoration of peace in Ukraine. He's committed to the restoration of peace in Gaza. And these are aspirations also shared by the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. And you also have to underscore the personal element, because the Secretary of the Vatican, Cardinal Parolin, actually extended this invitation to President Bola Tinubu on behalf of the Pope of the Augustine Order, who had spent quite a great deal of time in Nigeria. So he has a personal connection and affiliation to Nigeria, and it was quite important to the new pontiff that the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, a country that he has a great deal of fondness for, share this very special installation event with him.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hope you have seen. students they carry. See them. All those they are not serving it. Compound zoo. See, let's carry you.
To come from up there. So sometimes you shift to the people coming. You understand? It's just small camera shifting and so.